Welcome to this demonstration discussing the what and the how of LDAP Address Book. This is part 3 of an LDAP Address Book playlist. Links to part 1 and 2 are in the description of this video. LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. LDAP's Lightweight Directory Access Protocol Secure. Here are a few ways to describe the LDAP feature. LDAP is a protocol. It's a language used to communicate with the directory services. It's essentially a language computers use to find and organise information within a network. A user selects to send a scan to email address from the device. The device then needs to communicate with the database on the server. Once the database has retrieved the data, this is then returned to the device. The user will now see their search results on the LCD display. The purpose: it helps applications quickly access and update information stored in a central directory service. This information can include accounts, email addresses, group membership, device location, printer settings, and much more. The benefits: centralised data management. You only need to update the information in one place, and it's automatically reflected everywhere. It's vendor neutral. It works with various platforms and software, making it flexible. The how. Let's look at how this process is done from a brother device. From the home screen of your device, select Scan. Select To Email Server. As we are going to search from an external user database that supports the LDAP protocol, we need to select the address book first. Here it shows there are no registered details within the internal address book. Here it is showing that there are 0 entries in the internal address book. Here is an example with 5 entries in the internal address book. To search the external user database, select the magnifying glass at the top left of the screen. If this is displayed on the device panel, please check the external user database is running and supports the LDAP protocol. Also within the internal web page that the settings are correct and the LDAP search option is on. Check the setting shown here. Once the source of the error has been located and corrected, then select Close. Remember, we need to select the magnifying glass at the top to search. Enter the search information into the search bar. Select the OK button. Here we can see the search has found no results. If your search returns this screen, the name you are searching is not in the database, or there may be a configuration issue. Return to the search screen and select OK. On the LCD, we can now see the result of your search. Select the name you require. There may be a list of names depending on how you have searched, i.e. name, surname, location, etc. How does your brother device know from a few letters to return this name? The connection to the database will be searching within the user's list. For example, in a Windows environment, this could be in the Active Directory Users and Computers. Within the Users folder, there is a list of users. Here we can see the search name we are using within this demonstration. Now we know where the search name has come from, select the name on the screen. The information of your selection will then be presented on the screen. Select the email address. We can see the full name and email address. Where is the search getting the information from, and how does it associate the name and the email address? Under the General tab in the User's Property, the display name is the first information shown on the device panel. You can see the email address associated with the display name. Now we know how the name and email are associated. Select the Apply button. The email is now displayed on the screen. Select Next. Select from the options displayed if required. Once changes are completed, select Start. This is an information screen with all the details and showing you the progress. Currently scanning. If you are using a flatbed scanner, you will see this message. Depending if you have more pages will depend on your selection. For this demonstration, I will select Finish. The progress has now changed to sending. If the user receives this message on the screen, the message states what the problem is and how to fix it. Within the internal web page of the device, check that the email settings are correct. There is a link to the video in the description of this demonstration on how to set up an email server. Select Close. The final progress screen, Sending. Once the document has been sent, the LCD screen will return to the scan screen, shown here. Now select the Home icon at the bottom of the screen. This will return you to the home screen of your device. This completes the process. Please see the description for all related links. Thank you for watching.